What you say, Manny, Ray?
Alright, well,
Boom.
we are on our way to Freeport Marina.
Yep.
To get on a pontoon boat with Teresa and Tyler and the chicken and Emma and Cole and the chunk and
whoever
possibly
else.
some more. I think Jake and Haley are going to be there too.
This is going to be a,
So, woohoo!
I don't think it's a very big pontoon boat,
Yeah,
so this should get
so-
interesting.
We'll see what happens.
I'm Erica, and this is David, and we are 30A Misfits. Two transplant locals who love to adventure. Come explore with us. Good morning.
Good morning. There's Dara, baby.
Good morning.
Say good morning.
Good morning. Freeport Marina is one of only two public commercial marinas in Walton County, and the only one in Freeport. Situated on LaGrange Bayou on the north side of Choctawhatchee Bay, it's open from 7 to 5. About halfway to our destination, the girls needed a potty break and the boys needed some bait and to top off the fuel. So we stopped at Marina Bar and Grill in Destin and discovered Mary Ann.
Hello. 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 Hi.
Oh yeah. That's the way to do it. And a paddleboard as well. Thank you.
Do we have an anchor?
Oh, it's right here. Wee-hoo. Got an anchor.
didn't really have a specific place in mind to stop, but boy did we get lucky. We spotted this beach, empty except for a picnic table and a swing, and set up for the day.
Hey Erica, what happened?
Safety pin.
What happened?
Not a fishing hook?
My string sunk into my bikini top.
We lost a strap.
What are we getting? Were we getting a fish hook to try it?
To try to pull the string back out.
How did that happen?
It's complicated. There was a lot of wiggling going on trying to retie it, and
Lost track at the other end.
Yep.
All right, I got you. I love you. Hey,
Erica and I.
do y'all know how to do this?
Do what?
You want me to do it? The thing is, put the hook on first.
Yeah.
And then string it through. Is that what we're gonna do?
That's
Okay.
what we're doing.
Love you. Sorry. Okay.
Way ahead of you, Ham.
Yeah, like way ahead.
Nice.
Yeah.
Do you want a t-shirt so you can do this without?
That's what I was thinking.
Do you want one? I have
No, she's all right.
Get her
The whole time, right?
Cole, do you have pliers?
Here, Erica.
Thank you, ma'am. Here, I'll trade you.
This is great stuff.
I told you, I said a day out on the boat with all of us, that's good content.
Right.
Erica's face.
Bottle.
Cole said that your big.
There goes Cole. There's nothing.
So sweet baby.
What you saying, Manny?
All right, well,
Bo. Oh, Cole's going with it. What'd he say?
I don't know.
You're
I'm
laughing
laughing
at-
at Cole. He almost fell. He tried to stand up on the back of it and about fell off. Yep, not gonna happen.
Not gonna happen. Gotta slide up.
Yeah.
That fish just jumped right
Yeah.
in front of me.
Good job.
Uh-oh.
There we go. I knew the celebration would do her in.
She got cocky. You got cocky.
While the baby slept, we took the opportunity to eat some lunch, and Emma and I got a quick paddleboard lesson from Haley.
You did not. You did not. Go wash it off.
Oh yeah.
Put that other rack on the grill. Sweet. I'm about to turn it up really quick, actually. Oh! Oh, no. Look at this. Look at the concentration. The focus. Norwegian. I haven't quite seen this part of Teresa yet.
Hey, here's the bottom line. Teresa wins. We can all get down. Right? I can handle that.
I'm just trying to see how I got down. Emma, I don't want to hear it. Bro, she's straight to nose that. She's straight wall bearing that shit.
This is happening. This is happening. Listen to Cole.
All right, I'm gonna start packing up. Will you watch my kids? Of course. Thank you. Look at you, girlfriend.
my bear the whole time.
Baby love. They're hugging each
Hey, Adson. Yeah. Such a cool, funky little marina.
At this point, we had the boat unloaded and were all discussing our plans to go grill hot dogs at a nearby park. David had the camera hanging from his pocket and didn't know it was on. The camera work is a little wonky, but what we captured was too adorable not to include.
That one too. Probably all the pontoons.
Let me see. I think I see a tooth.
Key
I
West.
can feel it! I can feel a tooth in there!
Can you?
Yes!
Nuh-uh.
Yep. I could see it poking. Yeah.
Bottom?
Yep. I know. You want to show Mama your tooth.
Tooth?
Yeah.
Shut the
No.
I'll start crying right here and right now.
Don't cry, but come here and stick your finger in her mouth.
Don't cry, please.
You got a tooth. You're too little. You're too little.
On the bottom. You feel it?
Oh, my baby.
How she's been ripping everything.
Yeah, she was taking it in the ribs.
Yeah. I was like,
You're not a child.
Yeah, how's that possible?
yeah.
You're my little baby. Bum, ba-dum, bum. Bum, ba-dum. Bum, ba-dum, bum. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum.
Is that Indiana Jones?
Right. See ya at the park. Erica's sunburn in
Digital camo.
camouflage.
How does that even happen?
As the sun went down and the bugs came out, it was decided that our hot dog dinner would be moved to Cole and Emma's house, which made for a great sunset view from the bridge.
Damn.